Hello lovelies, once again welcome to my channel. Show you how you can make this fun, colorful, easy bracelets for kids, you know, this Christmas. The kids will absolutely love them and they are so easy to make. So I'll show you how you can make them. What you need string, you need 11 beads, you need scissors, and that's all. This cameos, it says cameos string. It's like that fake leather, but you can literally use anything that you have. What you're going to do, you're going to take your string and you're going to put the string into the bead like that. Then you're going to make a simple knot. Just make a circle and you put your yarn inside that circle. Then you just pull. That's a simple knot on one side. You're going to make another simple knot just like that on another side. You pull. Right, so you're going to insert another bead. Set all your 10 beads just like that. Then you make a knot. I'm going to put another bead. Then I'm going to make a simple knot, make a circle. Then you take part of your yarn and you put it in the middle. Then after that you're going to pull. So make a knot. So I'm going to put the rest of the beads all. I've put 3, so I'll put 7 more, then come back. Okay, so I have put knots on the 10. Now what I'm simply going to do, I'm going to measure with my hand. Then I'll give some way. Right there. Then I'll also give some way and cut maybe like here. Right. Then after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert these 2 strings into one bead. So this would make this adjustable. Hold on. Like that. Then I'm going to make a knot on the one end, just like that, and I'll also make a knot on another end, just like that. Then I'm going to cut excess. That. And you are done. You can also use a cowrie. I used a cowrie instead of a bead. Yeah, so it's that easy. And you can use different colors of the string and different beads. I just made these and I think they're really nice and cute for kids. Kids will love this. Yeah, that's all for me. Okay, bye-bye.